Today, we're going to prepare our ThinkCentre Teeny hardware using a screwdriver to open the box up and replace the hard drive with a brand new SSD drive. As long as we're in there, we're going to replace the little coin cell battery and probably give it a little blow off from any dust that's accumulated. To open the case, you remove one screw from the center in the back. We're going to get rid of the old hard drive, install our new solid-state hard drive, and replace the coin cell battery. The screws to hold the drive are underneath the caddy. We'll install the new hard drive into its caddy and then slide it into place. Once that's done, we replace the top cover of the machine. We've got a computer now that looks pretty much like this, a simple metal box. Like Gallets, email is mikeg@giantdatabase.com.